Hello everyone, greetings to you all. For any student or for any aspirant who are preparing for the competitive examination, we have to have these 8 powerful study techniques, namely Pomodoro technique means focusing strictly for 25 minutes and then taking 5 minutes break. Example, study maths for 25 minutes and then break for 5 minutes. Repeat these 4 cycles, then take a long break 15 to 13 minutes. Next point is 80-20 rule. Identify and master the 20% of content that yields 80% of the exam marks. You don't understand? Now understand it like this with example. In grammar, focus more on tenses, voice, narration, prepositions. They bring the most of the marks. So here, do you put in your 20% efforts and results will be 80%. Then active recall. So read a chapter, close the book and write all key points. Then Feynman technique. Feynman technique means explaining the concept aloud in simple words as if you are teaching a child. Then spaced repetition. Day 1 to day 15. Learn, review again and final revision. So spaced repetition. Then get detoxed or get distracted from your digital devices connection, and so that you move your smartphone to another room to stop focus distraction. So say no to distractions, only focus. Then Parkinson law, set strict artificial short deadlines to force faster competition. So if you want to cover 3 chapters in 3 hours, then set time for 1.5 hours and challenge yourself to finish. Then finally pre-plan your sessions. So all your materials and gather at one place and before you take a proper decision. So keep books, notes, pens, water bottles and everything get ready. So like this you can cover all the study techniques for your excellent academic performance and job related positions with these 5 powerful study techniques. So once again I repeat, number 1, Pomodoro technique, focusing 25 minutes at a stretch and then 5 minutes break, then followed by 80-20 rule. Focus on the important chunks, important formulae, definitions, descriptions of any chapter, then cover that 80% of test items, getting the 80% of that covered content. Then active recall through Triple technique, read, recall, revise, then reading a chapter and closing the book and writing all the key points. That strengthens your memory so you don't forget easily. Then Feynman technique, explaining the concept in a simpler words, teaching a child. Example, learn photosynthesis and explain it to your friend or even to your own younger sibling in your respective homes in the easiest possible manner. Then spaced repetition included date 1 to day 15 with a spaced interval, learning something, then review it, then review again, then final revision. So review notes at increasing intervals, review plan, then keep away all your digital screen time devices, then gadgets when you are focusing on studies. Study in a quiet room, keep your phone away, more focus, better learning, right? Then Parkinson law means setting strict artificial short lines. For example, if a chapter takes 3 hours, set a timer for 1.5 hours and challenge yourself to finish it, right? So then the last one is pre-plan sessions. Arrange all study materials the night before to avoid decision fatigue. సో నిర్ణయం తీసుకోవడంలో లేట్ కాకూడదు, ఏమేమి కావాలని రెడీగా పెట్టుకొని. సో కీప్ బుక్స్, నోట్స్, పెన్స్, వాటర్ బాటిల్ రెడీ at night. Start fresh in the morning so that the precious time doesn't get wasted. So with this success formula, wish you all happy learning and keep learning. Do take care. Jai Hind.